Yes.
I would like to seek Lordship's indulgence in respect of part 2. If item number 7, Your Lordship, if this can be accommodated in the cost list after commencing from after the holiday.
Part 2.
Item 7.
Item 7. Yes.
If this may be listed in the week after the vacation, Your Lordship.
Okay. At the request of the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, list this matter in the week commencing
Oh, I apologize. I thought
Huh?
next week, if possible, Your Lordship.
next week.
Yes,
Okay.
in
In the next week.
the next week.
Take it.
Deeply obliged.
Your Lordship, may I make a mention regarding item 9 of part 2? It may be
9.
taken up after a week, my lord.
Okay. At the request of the Learned Counsel for the appellant, list the matter. You want it after the vacations or next week?
Yes, after vacation, my lord.
After the vacations. In the week commencing 20th of April.
Much obliged.
Yes.
My lord, with regards to part 2, item number 3.
3.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
On receiving the case diary, I have furnished the same to the petitioner's counsel. Accordingly, I have submitted one copy to the registry as well, my lord. So if this matter can come up after a week.
After a week would be, tell me where.
After the
vacations. Okay. The Learned PP has submitted that the case diary has been received. Instead, with the consent of the counsel paying for the petitioner, list this matter in the week commencing 24/2026.
Obliged, my lord.
Your Lordship, indulgence in making mention regarding item number 4 of part 2.
4. Yes.
Yes, my lord, if this matter may come up after 2 weeks, I have taken the consent of the opposite party.
Okay. At the request of the counsels, list this matter again. When do you want it?
After 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks.
Obliged.
May I plead your
Your
lordship?
Lordship,
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3 of
Why are there two sounds coming? Yes. We'll take her first.
Lord-
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3 of daily list. Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of SK Medhi. The pleadings are already completed. Due to some difficulties, he was not able to attend today. Lordship, kindly fix it on 21st April. He wished to appear personally.
Okay. At the request of the Learned CGC, Mr. SK Medhi, list this matter on the 21st of April. The consent of the counsel for the petitioner has been obtained.
Much obliged, your lordship.
Yes. Yes.
yes, Your Lordship, part 2, item number 1.
Part 2, item number 1. Yes.
I'm appearing on behalf of Ms. Vani Siami, who is the learned government advocate since she is on leave, and the matter may kindly be taken up next week.
Have you informed the other side?
Yes, Your Lordship.
All right. At the request of the Learned counsels, list this matter again on. When do you want it?
Next week.
Next week. List this matter next week.
Much obliged.
Petition, item 1.
May it please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Now, this, in fact, item 1 and 2 are one and the same. What happened was that, Your Lordship, I had initially filed the RFA, challenging one order passed by the trial court. And later on, after due diligence, it had come to my attention that I had invoked the wrong provision. And it ought to have been filed under Article 227 as a revision petition. So I accordingly filed one IA 45 of 2026, praying for conversion of my RFA into a revision petition without changing the content, except for the words appellants into appellate petitioner. And that was accordingly allowed by an order dated 2/3/2026, passed in IA 45 of 2026.
Have you filed the amended?
That is already done.
It has been filed.
Yes. And pursuant to the order passed in the IA, in the main appeal, the order was passed with a direction to the appellant oblique petitioner to file the amended petition, which has been done.
Okay.
Now, the registry is having some technical difficulty because they're saying that since there's no order to the effect that the RFA should be converted into a CRP, they cannot close the RFA in their CIS.
Okay.
So I think that technical glitch has to be addressed first.
So you say item number 2 will continue,
Yes.
but item number 1 needs to be closed.
It should be, this RFA should be converted as CRP.
Then what about item number 2?
They had registered it as a separate case. That's the problem,
Acha, that amended petition has been registered as a separate case.
my lord. It ought to have been a continuation.
Give me the IA. What was the IA number disposed of?
IA number is 45 of 2026.
I think it is disposed of.
Relevant paragraph would be 14 onwards. 1-4.
What we will do is we'll say that since you have filed an amended petition
My lord.
and it has already been registered as a CRP,
My lord.
therefore this RFA does not require further consideration.
Indeed.
Closure of the RFA will not affect the CRP proceedings in any manner.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And what about the CRP? Has notice been issued in that? We'll see that. Okay, take down on this. Item number 1, huh? Take the attendance. Heard Mr. Swenson and counsel for the appellant. Also heard counsels appearing for the respondents. It has been submitted that a amended petition had been filed pursuant to the order dated 2/3/2026. However, the amended petition has been registered as CRP 5 of 2026 by the registry. Instead of taking on record the amended petition as a part of this appeal and making necessary corrections in the nomenclature. Full stop. Since CRP 5 of 2026 has already been registered on the basis of the amended petition, the present RFA does not require to be adjudicated further in its present form. Full stop. Accordingly, this RFA 33 of 2025 is closed without further adjudication. It is made clear that the closure of this RFA will not affect the proceedings of CRP 5 of 2026.
Deeply obliged.
RFA disposed of.
Item number 2.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, attendance ले लीजिए. In compliance of the order dated 2/3/2026 passed in IA Civil 45 of 2026 in RFA 33 of 2025, the appellant had filed an amended petition. The said amendment petition has been registered as the present civil revision petition. The RFA has been closed today since the amended petition has been taken up as a civil revision petition. Full stop. You have served copies on the
Yes, Your Lordship.
the learned counsel for the respondents acknowledge receipt of the civil revision petition. Therefore, formal notices are unnecessary. Full stop. Extra copies be served as per requirement within a period of 2 days. Respondents would be at liberty to file their response to the CRP within the next 2 weeks. List the matter again. On when do you want it? Tell us.
After vacation, my lord.
We have given you 2 weeks to file your reply. We'll have it on the 30th of April.
Yes, my lord.
Very well, Your Lordship.
On the 30th of April for consideration
Deeply,
in the admission
So blessed.
column.
deeply obliged.
Item number 4.
I would like to seek Your Lordship's indulgence in this item 4. On behalf of the counsel for the petitioner, Your Lordship, he could not be present today due to bereavement in the family.
Oh. Otherwise, the pleadings are completed. Have you filed your response?
My lord, for draw. My lord, we already sanctioned money in this regard.
Okay. An accommodation has been sought for on behalf of the counsel for the petitioner, as there is a bereavement in the family. Full stop. Accordingly, list this matter again on 6th of May
My Lord, if possible, next week, Your Lordship.
or next week, on 23rd of April.
No, next week, as in 7th of April.
Oh, 7th. I was going one. Sorry. On the 7th of April.
Obliged.
Deeply obliged.
Miss So-and-so appears for the respondents. Yes.
Item number 5.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of my senior, Ms. Valentina Laldimpui. She's the leading counsel for this matter. Due to emergency family matter, she is unable to appear. May this matter be adjourned after vacation.
Who's appearing for respondent number 3?
Lang is okay.
Miss Fanai was appearing.
Miss Lang.
An accommodation has been sought for on behalf of the learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop. The office note reflects that although respondent number 3 is represented, no affidavits have been filed on behalf of respondent number 3. No wakalatnama has been filed on behalf of the respondent number 1, 2, and 4, although Mr. Samuel Vanlal Riata Shankte had appeared on 14/1/2026. Full stop. List this matter again on
After vacation.
after vacation. 22nd.
Yes, sir.
On the 22nd of April, allowing the respondent number 3 to file response to the contempt petition and allowing the respondent number 1, 2, and 4 to have their representation confirmed.
Your Lordship, Samuel Vandershat is representing respondents 6 and 7, and his name has been struck off on order dated 14/01/2020.
No, 5, 6, and 7 have been struck off. Is it not?
Yes, Your Lordship, and it is represented by Mr. Samuel Vandershat.
But on 10/1, there is an order saying that he would be representing 1, 2, and 4.
Yes.
That was a wrong this thing.
Yes. Your Lordship, the submission will be made by the leading counsel regarding this.
Just a minute. So none has appeared for 1, 2, and 4.
Power has not
So we'll
been-
have it on the next day. We'll have it on the next page. We'll correct. Because the order says that he was representing. Without his presence, I cannot say he will not represent. Yes.
Item number 6.
Your Lordship, we have received affidavit in opposition from respondent number 6. And Your Lordship, based on that, we want to make a reply affidavit to the affidavit in opposition of respondent number 1 to 5. So we are asking for
Financing 5 to
1 week time.
A request for accommodation has been made on behalf of the petitioner to file a response to the affidavit in opposition filed on behalf of the respondent number 6.
1 to 5.
Huh?
Yes, we have received from respondent number 6. Based on that, we want to make a reply to affidavit in opposition of 1 to 5.
What did I say? I said he received. To file response to the affidavit filed on behalf of respondent number 1 to 5 on the basis of the contents of the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 6. Request is allowed. List the matter again on.
1 week time.
Choose a date.
calendar.
21st?
Yes.
21st of April 2026.
Obliged.
Item number 7.
Two calendars like this. Keep on the lecterns of the council. Oh, it is there? Okay. What is this? Number 7. IA has been disposed. Call it after some time. After some time, let the CGC comes.
Item number 8.
Lordship,
Lordship, we have filed this criminal revision petition on the grounds that the petitioner herein on being acquitted. However, the seized articles were made absolute. During the course of investigation, some seized cash money was seized from the petitioner. And during the course of the investigation, the respondent number 2 has the chief CGM has released the seized money to the respondent number 2. So, however, Lordship, as per this judgment and order that is on para number 48, 23 of the judgment and order, which is right before the index.
No, tell us this. Where is page?
Page number 23 of the judgment and order. Roman number 23. It's right after the index, Lordship, the judgment and order. I've annexed it.
23.
23. The last portion of the order, Lordship. Para number 48.
Seized articles are made absolute.
as directed. Although they have been acquitted, but however, the seized article, which is not in my custody, has been made absolute by the learned trial court. So we are aggrieved with that para number 48 of the order.
By which order was it released?
It was released. I have annexed the order. It is on page number 22, annexation number 2. This is the order dated 3/2/2020.
My Lordship, if I may,
Just a minute, sir. Just let me get the hang of things.
In my humble opinion, Lordship, new facts or new documents cannot be.
No, we are this new fact or document, whatever he places,
Yes.
that may not be taken into consideration while deciding the correctness of the order.
Yes.
But the impact that the order may have, the consequences that will follow, has also to be kept in mind.
Yes,
when
Your
we pass
Lordship,
an
I
order.
understand that. But however, the records which he would like to produce is that it regards to the dismissal order.
Dismissal from service.
Dismissal from service. The order has been amended. That's why that amended order, he wants to place it on record, Lordship. So I don't think it's relevant for in the present matter,
So
Lordship.
what had actually happened? So you were working in a bank.
Yes, Lordship, I'm working in a bank as a branch manager, and during the course of the service, there was some misappropriation in a bank.
Okay.
So respondent number 2 herein, the branch manager has filed a complaint, and the trial was
So why was the money seized?
seized. It was seized
recovery, Lordship. Recovery.
Recovered in cash.
in cash, Lordship. No, they asked the petitioner herein to take the money from the bank and kept it in the custody of the prosecution. I've
Then why
annexed
do you,
the things.
if the money belongs to the bank,
Yes,
although the charges against you for misappropriation or something have not been proved,
yes.
if the money belongs to the bank, why should it go back to you?
Lordship, that also we are going to challenge the dismissal order also.
No, the
But however, at this
dismissal order
point of time, the Department of Proceeding and the prosecution,
Do you claim
the
that do you
criminal
claim,
trial,
do you claim that the money was yours?
yes, Your Lordship,
It was not the bank's money.
it was for the bank
Then
money.
when they were asking for Zimma, why were you?
Lordship, if we look at the order passed on the
It was not
3/2/2020, it was during the course of the investigation, and moreover, Lordship, at that point of time, the petitioner was not represented even by the counsel also, Lordship. They were not heard, Lordship. No chance has been given to the petitioner at that point of time.
So money which was their case, the case of the prosecution was that money which was required to be deposited in accounts,
Yes.
you had kept with yourself.
Not with myself. It was in the account. It was in my account, Lordship, and they has asked me to surrender all the cash from my account. So I kept it with the.
Oh, you took out the cash from your
took-
account and gave it
yes,
to the bank.
Yes, yes, Your Lordship.
When do you want it? Next week?
Next week, if possible. They are in a hurry, my.
At the
Actually, I
request of the
wanted
learned counsel,
Yes.
declaring for the respondent. List this matter again on
9, my Lordship.
9th, on the 9th of April.
In the meantime, if I may be allowed to place this in on court, my.
You file your affidavits. We are
My
not
lord.
stopping anything. We are not stopping you. We are not directing you. File what you want.
Opening may be made, my lord, that's why.
You file your affidavit.
My
We'll
lord,
take it.
obliged.
We don't need an order.
Item 9.
May I please your lordship?
Yes, sir.
My lord, in this case, we are waiting for the assessment of interest to be done by the district
Have
collector
you
of
filed
Sierra.
that amended, this thing? Have you filed the amended?
Not yet, my lord.
Why not? There was an order from this court. Huh?
In fact, my lord, there is some difficulty because as per the direction of this honorable court in the writ petition, my lord, the first thing to be done was to make, the district collector has to make the assessment of interest as per section 80 of the 2013 Act. And only after the assessment was made, we can furnish the assessment to the BRTF official. At this stage, my lord, let the district collector first respond to the contempt petition. The district collector is respondent number 4, already represented by the counsel, Ms. Mary.
Just a minute. Respondent number 4, have you filed your affidavit? Who appears for respondent for you? Yes?
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Miss Mary.
Ah.
We haven't filed our affidavit. We are yet to file.
Now, on December 1st, 2025, you had appeared. You are not even filing your affidavit.
Your Lordship, the concerned officer is on leave and here,
See, madam, this is a contempt petition. In a contempt petition, it is either compliance of the order or non-compliance of the order. His being on leave is not helping us anywhere. From December, he cannot be on leave till now. Who is respondent number 4?
Deputy
He is the
Commissioners,
district collector of Sierra district.
The deputy commissioner is on leave till now for the last 3 months.
no, Your Lordship, we have not yet filed our affidavit.
Why? That is what we are asking you.
We have received the instructions, but
Ah,
we are yet to file. And
okay.
Uh,
Heard
so-
Mr. So-and-so and counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard Mr.
Daniel Chassel on behalf of Miss
who
Mary.
appears on behalf of Ms. Muriel Chianti, representing the respondent number 4. Appearance had been entered for the respondent number 4 on 1/12/2025. However, there is no response filed by the said respondent. And who appears for respondent number 3?
yes, Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Miss Vanessa.
Ah. No, I will go one by one. Why is respondent number 3 not filing the affidavit? What is the difficulty?
The concerned officer, the Revenue and Secretary Department is on leave and till May. So,
He is on leave till May.
yes,
It is submitted by Ms. So-and-so and a counsel appearing for the respondent number 3 that the respondent is on leave till May. You are appearing for respondents? Yes, madam? You are appearing for? Number 2. Your response is also not there. That is what you said on the last occasion. That is what you said on the last occasion. And you have not filed the affidavit, the wakalatnama also. And even if he has left the post, what did he do during that period is what we want to know, is it not?
Yes, madam.
The Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent number 2 has prayed for further 2 weeks' time to file the power and response on behalf of the respondent number 2. What about respondent number 1? Any? Where is it? C file? There's some C file. What happened to respondent number 1C? ID card? Yeah, respondent number 1 is still there.
Yes, my lord.
He still holds the post. Then you would have to take fresh steps on him.
Yes, my lord.
because-
I may be allowed to take fresh steps upon the respondent number 1, 5, and 6.
The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner has submitted that he may be allowed to take fresh steps on respondent number 1,
5,
5, and 6. Okay, now where is that order where the contempt has been alleged? Which part?
Page number 29, my lord.
Page number 29.
Para 11 from the bottom, last line.
This part has not been done.
Yes, my lord. Not yet done.
Who appears for the deputy commissioner? You are appearing.
Yes.
See, there was a direction to you to make the assessment of interest.
Yes, Your Lordship, from
Has
the,
it been done?
Yes, Your Lordship.
As per
from
the instruction, has been done.
Yes, Your Lordship, from the instruction, Your Lordship, with your permission, may I read it out?
Please.
It may be further stated that 10% revenue cess deducted from the petitioner cannot be refunded at this stage, as acquiring department had sanctioned award number 10 of 2022 with a shortage of rupees 65 lakhs. This office has written to the BRTF several times regarding the said shortage. The deducted cess will be refunded.
No, we are not on that. We are on the interest part, the calculation of the interest. The calculation of the interest in terms of section 80.
No, Your Lordship. I will have to see.
That has not been answered in the instruction.
What is? Yes, Your Lordship, I will have to, we'll have to seek instructions again regarding that part.
So now you have to pay. You have to be paid the compensation.
Yes, my lord.
And first, there is a direction to the respondent number 4 to calculate the interest on it.
Yes, my lord.
That has not been done.
Not yet done.
Your Lordship, here it is stated that this office has made the necessary corrections in the interest calculation as instructed by the government of Mizoram, and the same was resubmitted for approval on 28/9/2025.
To whom? It is submitted to whom?
It was,
See, we are not asking you to go through the instructions.
Under Land Revenue and Civil.
We are not asking you to go through the instructions to put you in trouble. We are trying to find out how much you read the instructions to help the court. So when do you want it listed next? First, it will be your turn to say that yes, we have calculated the interest and we have sent it somewhere. Then we'll wait for the others. 2 weeks?
Yes.
The learned counsel for the appearing for the respondent number 4 has submitted that appropriate instructions can be sought for within a period of 2 weeks as to whether the respondent number 4 had taken appropriate steps to comply with the directions for calculation of interest, full stop. Allowing the petitioner to take fresh steps on the respondent number 1, 5 and 6 and awaiting their service report. List the matter again on today is 2nd May 5th, 8th of May. The respondents who are represented in court would be at liberty to file their response. Full stop. It is noticed that the order of which non-compliance has been complained of was issued in the year 2024 and response from the respondents are yet awaited.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 10.
Your Lordship, this is the criminal appeal filed by the present appellant. He is one of the convicted persons, 23 convicted persons. Another 22 had already filed the criminal appeal way back in the year 2024. And this had belatedly filed by the present appellant. And it was recently, the delay was condoned and the sentence was suspended and she is now on bail. And it is under Prevention of Corruption Act, my lord. Conviction was under Prevention of Corruption Act. And sentence is only 1 year along with the fine of rupees.
Should we list this case along with the other appeals?
Yes, your lordship, and it may kindly be admitted, my lord. The other appeals had already been
But
admitted.
Mr. Swanson, counsel appealing for the appellant who has submitted that another 22 appeals arise, 22 appeals.
22,
How many appeals?
5 appeals, your lordship.
Another 5 appeals arising from the same judgment
Yes,
and order dated
your lordship. 17/5/2024.
17/5/2024 passed by the Special Judge Prevention of Corruption Act in SRPCA number 7 of 2012 have already been admitted. Full stop. He accordingly praised that the matter may be tagged along with those other appeals, one of them being appeal number
25 of 2024.
25 of
26.
appeal number 25 of 2024.
Yes, 26 of 2024.
After admitting the same, full stop. Accordingly,
And my lord, others appeals are also there.
no, we'll give one number, it will come up with that.
Yes, yes.
They are already tagged together.
Yes.
The other appeals are
yes,
tagged
if I'm not
together.
mistaken, I think those were already tagged together, my lord.
So we are giving one number,
Yes.
tag along, list this matter along with criminal appeal number so and so and other connected appeals. Full stop. You want any fixed date on this? No. Paper books have to be prepared and all that.
I think it was already prepared. Yes, it may come along with the other appeals, my lord.
That'll do. We are taking this appeal with the other criminal appeals.
In the other appeal, my lord, I am not the counsel for the respondent.
But all of them have to be heard on the same judgment. We cannot pass different judgments in different appeals
Yes, my lord.
regarding the same conviction. Okay. You want any fixed date for that?
No, no, your lordship, no need.
Item number 11.
Your lordship, I may be allowed to withdraw this IA because the reason why I filed the interlocutory application is that while filing the appeal, only the sentence was suspended and the present applicants are the government servant who are working in the Chakma Autonomous District Council. So we are applying for suspension of the conviction as well. However, your lordship, now it has become infructuous, it appears. No need to press the matter.
Government has taken action.
The action was already taken. It's only a minor penalty.
But then on the basis of conviction, they can give you a show cause notice and
Yes, it was already done, Your Lordship. But still, some steps are still being taken. So that is why we filed the present application. But we thought it's not necessary to pursue.
Mr. Swensel and the counsel for the petitioners in this IA criminal, who are also appellants in the criminal appeal number 28 of 2024, has submitted that he is under instructions not to press this present IA in the present form. Accordingly, this IA criminal stands closed. Any orders in the criminal appeal?
Appeal, I haven't checked it, my lord, but it may come in the usual course.
List this in the criminal appeal you write, there is already an order to list this criminal appeal along with criminal appeal number 25 of 2025, comma, criminal appeal number 26 of 2024, criminal appeal number 28 of 2024, and other analogous matters, full stop. Accordingly, list this matter along with the aforesaid matters on its due turn. Yes.
Much obliged, ma'am.
Item number 12.
May it please your lordship. My lord, as directed by this honorable court, we have taken the steps by way of dusty upon the respondent number 2, and we have also filed our affidavit of service. We filed the same on 5/3/2026.
Respondent number 1
Is represented.
represented, affidavit filed. Anybody appearing for affidavit of dusty? Anybody appearing for respondent number 2? Are you appearing for respondent number 2, madam?
Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent number 3, state respondent.
3,
And I'm appearing for respondent number 1.
1. Where is that dusty service? Have you filed that affidavit, Dusty,
Yes, I have, your lordship. We filed the
on
same
respondent number 2?
in respect of number 2, yes, on 5th of March.
Ah. The petitioner has filed an affidavit giving proof of service of notice by Dusty on the respondent number 2. Stop. However, there is none to represent the respondent number 2 today, deeming service of notice on respondent number 2 to be complete. List this matter again on 24th of April, allowing the respondent number 2 to cause appearance on her behalf. Full stop. The respondent number 1, who has filed that respondent number 1 has filed the affidavit have filed objections to this
IA.
IA. Respondent number 3 is represented by Ms. Such.
Obliged, your lordship.
Item number 13.
Your Lordship, I may submit on behalf of the applicant's counsel who is outstation, Your Lordship.
Okay.
That as per the last order, the applicant is supposed to take a fresh step on the respondent number 3, and that had already been done. And I have checked it and service is still awaited. So it may further be awaited, my lord, for maybe another 2 weeks.
I'm appearing for the respondents 1 and 2, my lord. And I will be filing my objection to the IA within a week, my lord.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel, appearing for the respondent number 1 and 2, has prayed for an accommodation for a week to file their objection to the present IA, my lord. Service report on the respondent number 3 is awaited. List this matter again on the 8th of May.
Yes.
My lord.
Much obliged.
Allowing the respondent number 3, you are for 3, you are for
1 and 2.
1 and 2 to file their objections and awaiting the service of notice on the respondent number.
Much obliged.
Item number 14.
My lord, in this item, I'm appearing as a legal aid counsel for the sole respondent. So I need a week's time to obtain proper instructions from my client, my lord. I have contacted them through
I have no objection.
Mr. Swenson under counsel has submitted that he would be appearing as the legal aid counsel for the respondent
My lord.
in the matter, and he requires an accommodation of
1 week's time, my lord.
1 week to acquaint himself with the facts of the case and have his instructions. Full stop. Place this matter again on when 29th or 22nd?
27th April, my lord.
27th
My
of
lord.
April.
My lord. Oblige.
Item 15.
Your Lordship, this is a subsequent bail application
Ah.
after it was rejected by the trial court, and the matter is already been charge sheeted. And as per the last court's order of this honorable court, my lord, case scanned copy of the brief also not complied with fully, my lord. The grounds was not mentioned even in the section 48 notice, and section 47 notice is not at all present in the charge sheet. It was not served to the present applicant. So I am relying upon the Vihan Kumar case and other subsequent judgments also, my lord.
When were you arrested?
Was arrested on your lordship 15/11/2025. Sorry, your lordship, on 13/11, and I was forwarded to the judicial custody on 15/11/2025.
Yes, madam, what do you say?
I've checked the reports. We have found the same documents which they have submitted in this petition. At page 21, we can see that there's the arrest memo.
Ah,
And grounds of arrest at serial number 10, it's written sexual harassment, sexual assault. And this was also signed by the arrestee, my lord, himself. So even though the notice was not given in the form, but out here, my lord, everything is written out here.
but then, madam, for someone to defend him, would not a few more details be required? Where, when, how, at least whom, something? Simply saying that there is an allegation of such and such against you. Will that
Of a short delay of 10 days, Lordship.
10 days.
10 days, Lordship.
Notice not issued.
Notice not issued yet, Lordship. This is the first.
Okay, take down. This is an application under Section 5 of the Limitation Act for condonation of 10 days in preferring the connected appeal against the impugned judgment dated 15/12/2025 passed by the District Council Court, Chakma Autonomous District Council. Good stuff. Issue notice to the sole respondent by way of speed post. It's the petitioner to take steps within a period of 3 working days from today.
Lordship, if I make a small mention, Lordship.
Yes.
There is a standing order for making a payment of rupees 5 lakhs, which is ordered by the District Council Court. So if it may be stayed during the pendency of the...
Unless and until we take up the appeal.
Okay.
Or you have a connected IA where we can pass an order. See, when the appeal is yet to be taken up or registered, can we pass interim orders?
Yes, Lordship.
Remove an application that they're pressurizing you. Will consider the application.
Okay, Lordship.
List this matter again on 6th of May along with service report on the respondent number on the sole respondent.
Much of
Item number 7.
None appears for the appellant on call. List this matter again on the 10th of April.
Part 2, item 6.
Anybody interested in part 2 today? Huh? 2 left. SC appeal. Who has filed it? New Indian Insurance. List this matter again on the next week.
Item number 8.
Item number 8, Miss Mary is on leave. If this can be taken up some other day after 3 weeks, maybe more.
It has been submitted that the learned counsel representing the state as APP is on leave. Till when is she on leave?
My lord, 24th of April.
List this matter in the week commencing 27th of April
All right.
2026. None appears for the appellant on call. Finished?
May I please, Lordship?
Oh, yes.
My Lord, I am appearing in item number 1, part 2, that is fixed for today, Lordship. That is fixed for today, my Lord.
Yes. We were told in the morning that you were informed that they will be taking a... I had made a query. I was told that you were informed.
No, Lordship, I am sorry, my Lord. I have not been informed.
It's all right. When did we fix that item number 1, hearing list? First
So
item?
next week, my lord.
Next week.
It is fixed on next week. Will it be difficult?
Lordship, may I pray, my Lord, let it be on, my Lord, on 7th, Lordship. Date may be fixed.
On 7th?
Tuesday.
No, it will
Lordship.
come up. It will come up in the list for next week.
Okay.
If it reaches on 6th, we'll keep a reminder. We'll fix it on 7th.
My lord, I am
We'll
deeply
take it
offended.
up on 7th.
Lordship, I am deeply offended.
Okay. Thank you.
Lordship.